All right, so I'm just moving the vehicles around. The ISF and the Lightning have to swap spots because I'm getting new wheels for the Lightning, the SVT replicas. And I need the room, obviously, because it's parked against the wall, but I wanted to start it. And sometimes it makes a noise, sometimes it doesn't. It sounds like piston slap, and then it goes away for a little bit, but I'll see if you guys can hear it. Sometimes it doesn't make the sound at all. And tell me what you guys think. I'll tell you when it comes. Right now it sounds great. It's like a very slight pulley bearing sound, maybe. You guys can hear it? It's very, very slight. It almost sounds like roller bearings. I don't know. It didn't really make it this time around that bad. But it's whisper quiet after about a minute. And I know these trucks do have the piston slap sound at startup sometimes from cold. This was a completely cold startup, by the way, like probably a week. See, the sound's not really there anymore. Yeah, it's gone now. So hopefully it picked it up, and hopefully you guys can decipher what that was. Can hear it a little bit. To me that just sounds like belt drive noise, but let me know what you guys think.